It's so frustrating hearing those Schlursh Squeak Brrrrbp noises over and over again from your windshield wipers, especially after the rain has stopped and you forgot to turn them off. Or worse, they just won't turn off. It makes you wonder, couldn't the engineers have fixed the squeaking problem by now? And then there's the awful sound the wipers make when they're trying to scrape ice off the windshield. As the squeaking gets louder with time, you might notice your wipers are no longer as good at clearing water and debris from the glass. In this video, we'll dig into what's causing this annoying issue and what can be done about it. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. Let's talk about the causes of squeaky wipers. You see, dirt plays a crucial role here. Your glass is dirty. Friction and vibration are the main causes of sound. Normally, a smooth rubber wiper blade gliding over a smooth glass surface doesn't make much noise, but when you add friction to the mix, that's when the noise starts. The main culprit here is dirt. Dirt finds its way onto your windshield no matter how or where you drive. Rainstorms can wash debris from the roof of your car onto the glass. Driving in the mountains or on a dirt driveway can also lead to more dirt buildup. Even on highways, vehicles kick up salt, magnesium, and other road debris that land on your windshield. Those blades need washing. Over time, dirt from various sources, whether it's a weekend trip to Moab, daily commutes, snowy weather, rainfall, or even living in a dusty desert, can build up on your windshield and wiper blades. This dirt collects little by little and eventually causes noise. As the dirt gets trapped between the wipers and the glass, the wiping motion creates a rhythmic squeaking sound. If your windshield seems clean but your wipers are still making a lot of noise, try cleaning the wiper blades. Take a towel, wet it with tap water, and gently wipe the blades. Be careful not to pull too hard on them, as this could accidentally damage the mechanism. Regular cleaning can help reduce the squeaking and keep the wipers working properly. Wiping when dry. Using dry windshield wipers is like using dry toilet paper. It doesn't work smoothly and leaves behind unwanted results. Wiping a dry windshield creates friction, as the wiper blades catch on the tiny imperfections and scratches on the glass. This causes the wipers to skip and jump, creating clattering and squeaking sounds as they move. The simplest solution? Turn the wipers off when the windshield is dry and the noise will stop completely. Problem solved. Old wiper blades. You haven't replaced your wife's wiper blades in 7 years because you thought they were fine. She's been telling you they're noisy and annoying, but you didn't pay attention. One rainy day, you finally drive her car and turn on the wipers and the noise is unbearable. Now, it's up to you to replace them and offer an apology. Wiper blades usually last 2 to 3 years depending on how much exposure they get to the sun and dry climates. The rubber surface of the blades dries out over time due to UV rays and a lack of moisture. Start by cleaning your windshield with glass cleaner and wiping down the wiper blades. If that doesn't help, inspect the blades. If they look cracked, dry, or still make noise during rain, they need to be replaced. Also, if there's a tear in the blades, it can create wind noise even when the wipers aren't in use. Replacing the blades will fix the issue and spare everyone the frustration. How to stop squeaky wipers. Replace and upgrade your blades. The simplest way to solve many car issues is to replace the worn-out part with a new one. Wear and tear is a constant challenge that prevents a car from running like it did when it was new. Replacing a bad part restores it to the factory specifications, improving performance and reliability. This same principle applies to wiper blades. When it's time to replace them, Bosch icons are a great choice. They tend to last longer, perform smoothly, and handle tough conditions better. Investing in high-quality blades might cost a bit more upfront, but it saves you from repeated replacements and frustration in the long run. As the saying goes, buy once, cry once. Clean and wax your windshield. Since dirt is the main culprit behind noisy windshield wipers, cleaning the glass beforehand can make a big difference. Many windshield cleaning solutions include wax, which creates a protective layer on the glass. This wax prevents water and debris from sticking to the glass, letting them attach to the wax instead. With less debris collecting on the windshield, you'll experience quieter and smoother wiper performance. Taking care of your windshield in this way not only keeps it clean, but also ensures a better wiping experience. Clean your wiper blades. As we've discussed, dirt is a major cause of noisy windshield wipers. To keep things quiet, try cleaning your wiper blades once a month. While this time frame might not have scientific proof, it's a method that has worked well for me as a car owner. Keep your car clean. Keeping your car clean helps reduce dirt buildup on important surfaces like your windshield, which in turn reduces friction and noise when using the wiper blades. But cleaning your car isn't just about appearances, it brings other valuable benefits too. Taking good care of your car boosts its resale value. When buyers see how well maintained the vehicle is, they're more likely to feel confident that they're making a smart purchase. Regular cleaning also gives you a chance to inspect your car closely. This makes it easier to spot potential problems like cracked rubber, chipped glass, rust spots, fluid leaks, or flat tires before they become serious and costly. Honestly, these inspections have saved me quite a bit of money over the years, sometimes thousands, and nowadays, every little bit helps. Now, if you've stuck around long enough to learn this much about windshield wiper sounds, you probably know more than most people ever will. So I'll just say congratulations, and don't forget to step outside for some fresh air. You've earned it.